everybody, it's PB Noah back with another video. In this video, we're going to be making a bot in node.js with the Discord API. So to get started, you'll have to download node.js at this link here, node.js.org, and download the one on the left, recommended for most users, because the other one you can use, but sometimes there's beta features and sometimes it's unstable. So I recommend downloading that, and you need a file editor, or not a file editor, as in where you can write the code. So you can use Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom. It really doesn't matter, it's up to you. So once you've downloaded those, you have to go to the Discord app developers page. Here's the link, also link in description, and you'll need to create a new app. So you can just create a new app description, bot for YouTube, and you can upload an icon. Then you click create app, and then what you have to do is you have to create a bot user. Read that, and you click yes, do it. And so then you can get the token here. You can check it as a public bot, so you can invite it to multiple servers. I will do that, so I can invite it to my test server. Now in a second we'll need to click this and we'll need to get the token. Warning, do not share this token with anybody. This is a token for your bot, and if it's leaked, anybody can use it, and they can make your bot do anything they want. So now we have to go create a folder anywhere. I just have it in my folder. You need to create a new folder, tutorial bot, and then what you'll do is you'll have to shift and right click and open PowerShell. Okay, we're back. There was a small error. You couldn't have the space in the folder name, so you're gonna have to go back into PowerShell, and you will have to do, where is this, npm init, and you'll have to go through these. Just put the name of the package, 1.0.0, description you don't have to put, but you can, entry point, index.js, index.js, or bot.js, it doesn't really matter. Test command, none. Git repository, none. Keywords, you don't really need to put any. Author, me, and for you it's going to be your name, obviously. License, none, and you have to say yes if you think this is all correct. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do npm install discord.js -- save, and so that might take a minute, and just install the API. And then you'll have to open up your file explorer, and you're going to have to go to open folder, and then you go your bot and select folder, and that'll open up your workspace here. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a new file called index.js, as you have it as the entry point, and you're going to have to require Discord, require discord.js, and you're also going to have to need a place where to save your token. So const bot config require bot config.json. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create another file called bot config.json, and you're going to have to open curly brackets, token, and you're going to have to go back to the page, and you're going to have to copy your token. When you copied your token, just paste it back here. comma, and you're going to have to paste your prefix. Prefix is, let's say, question mark. So that's your bot config, and you're going to have to do Control S to save the file. And what you're going to have to do here is, we won't get started with the commands first. What we're going to have to do is we're going to put bot on ready. See. Console.log. This will say the name of the bot. Bot.user.username is online. So that will make the bot online. And wait, what did I do here? Bot on ready, and that will make the bot online. But first, we're at the end. We're going to have to put bot.login config.token. And so we save, and we do nodes index.js. What's here? Oh, yes. Const bot. 1 second now. Const bot. Or you can also put client, because it is the Discord client. New discord.client. And just so the bot doesn't mention everyone accident, disable everyone, true. Now let's try running that again. Go to PowerShell, node index.js, config. Oh, I put config, right. What's wrong here? Okay, bot config. Config.token. Now the bot is online. First, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to invite the bot to our server. So we're going to, where is it? Create auth to URL, and we can give it any permissions we want, and you copy the link, and so you can just open that in a new tab, and I'll invite it to my test server. Now select server, test, permission we gave it. You just have to verify the CAPTCHA, and once that's complete, if we drag over Discord, it's here and it's online. So now, let's say if we want to make it play something like my other bots, we just have to add to this bot.user.set activity. So it sets the activity. Well, it'll default is playing, so playing on PBNO's test server. Oh, before this, we'll just have to do that so it doesn't finalize the first on the test server. And we can also change the type. So we can do type. We can change it to watching. Now, if we save that and make it online again, node index.js, and we'll see that the bot is in fact watching what we put in the server. So that'll be the end of this video. In the next video, which might come out tomorrow, we'll be making our first command, hello, and maybe a purge command. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you later!